Okay, so I've got a really exciting video for you today. Um, I just got a package from Bare Bones, and yeah, I'm just really excited. So I'm gonna open it on film. Some of these things in here are gifts, but he did not ask me to do this video for him. I'm just doing it because I'm excited, and I think his products are really choice. So yeah, but to make sure there's no impartiality or get a good mate here to do this video for me. So lad,
Yes, what do you want?
you know the video we were talking about, bro?
No.
Bro, I need you to do the video for me, eh?
Is there any vodka in it?
Oh, yeah, bro, I'll give you a drink.
Okay, just in the box.
Okay, oh, I like this. This is skull. Very cool. Oh, I think you use this to keep your drinks cold. In Mother Russia, you never need to keep drink cold because everything is cold all the time. But this might come in handy here. We have what appears to be some sort of torture devices. Oh, they are for tweezers. Yeah, okay, da tweezers for the tweezer tips to do the pinning. Okay, yes. Oh, a second one. I have no friends though. I joined two at once. Tweezer tips. Tweezer. I'm not sure what this is. I need another friend. Hey, where is the American guy? Guy who paid me to steal election for him. What was he? Yeah, you didn't talking about me? I tell you what, I can walk through these real quick. Yep, tell you what I got. Now what's the here? Did right here? Oh, you, oh, do you bring these things? These you cannot. If you are buying the bones in prison, you cannot buy this product because this can be used to stab people or to hold them up for their goods. If you're not buying from covert companions. But these might be good for making things such as lock picks or things of that nature. Tell you what, no. We got some other stuff here though too. This might be for holding your methamphetamines. Nice bag for methamphetamines. And got a big roll here. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is real pretty, I tell you what. Oh, we got these flags for picking. Got many of those. Got some handles for the multi-picks because they're tiny. Oh, my God. It's a kloopadoop.
What is this kloopadoop?
See, it kloops and it doops. Oh my God. I have never been so excited in my life. Not since I saw the flag rise over the United States.
United States, that is a funny name. Not very united, I think.
Shut up, you commie.
Okay, you know who's communist? Your friend in Canada.
You talking about Kyle?
Whatever his name is, I don't know.
Hi guys, you talking about me? My name's Kyle. I'm from Canada. See, you guys just need some free healthcare. Make you a little bit happier. Speaking of free healthcare, let's look at these as well. Ooh, the femur. See, this is a bone. Americans are not familiar with bones because they don't have education in their country. These are actually inside of you. Don't put this inside of you, though, unless that's your thing. It could be. You never know. Healthcare's good for you here in Canada. gotta come and see the meese. The meese are very, very, very nice and friendly in Canada. I'm not gonna go in Canada and eat the meese. I'm gonna shoot the meese and make a meat sandwich. They would make a meat sandwich. Got to get them handles here. So you can put extra picks inside these. These are really, really nice handles. I'll tell you what, man. Look at that finishing. Look at that finish. Whew. This package is just so nice. Got a zipper. Ooh, sorry, my zipper is down. How rude of me, madam. Got all them tensioners in there. And some rubber bands too. My God, it's a festival.
And I once went to a festival in Moscow. I ended up with a disease. I need to take pills for many months. We got another case here. What is it? Let's have a look. Oh, that is a pretty case. Look at that. That deserves to be on the punk jacket. Right underneath it, Metallica. And then Slayer. And then Acid Bath. That is hardcore. Very metal. And no make zipper joke. Rufus already made zipper joke. It was very crude. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have my own minions now. Now I can finally take over this country. I have my own minions. Little tiny ones too. Okay. You go sit with your brother Kevin. These are so cool. Look at that. That is very cool. I don't want to take out the package yet, I will lose it. Oh, little hands holding hands together like world peace. My god. Oh, yes. I have enough handles to make my entire set now. These are radius in Olna. There come there. It help. So these are the kind of shit we use in Moscow prison. Much lighter. Get deep inside and make sure that no one squeal. You cut them too difficult, then they're going to be able to be seen by doctor. Oh, those are pretty. One for standard lock, one for dimple. And I love dimple.
I love dimples too. I once knew a girl who had dimples.
Kyle, shut up. I'm not talking to Candida anymore. Ooh, oh. Oh, well, those right there, my friend, are pretty. Look at that. Fits so perfectly in hand too. Oh, that feels good. That is a good handle. Look at that. Now, tell you what, man, you're gonna need that handle again to walk around with your thing in NASCAR, man, but that's just room around the track, but you can't get around saying, I cannot understand a word this man says. I am very apologetic for involving myself in his election, because now he will not stop talking to me. Ooh. I'm shaking. I'm much excited. Oh my god. What did I just become German there? You turned a Russian into a German. That's how excited you got me. I have not forgiven yet those bastards for what they did to my great grandpapa. Oh, but I can't forgive whatever demons wanted for how such amazing craftsmanship. Look at that. Oh. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, that is pretty. I am in love. I am in love, and my lover's name is Bare Bones. Look at this. Look at this. And you know I love this. This one especially. Very good. Love all of this. My god. This is a very nice case too. My god. It also has a little place here, so if you have a squirrel, you can give it a backpack, and then you can bring your picks to you. A trained squirrel. It's what everybody needs. Somehow there is even more stuff. Let us see. Another amazing case. I put my zipper down. I told you I'll not make a joke just to make you think I'm not make the joke. Oh, look at this. See, punk. This is, I actually believe, the flag of Australia. Who is this gentleman? I am Joost van de Van. I am from South Africa. And I know a thing or two about flags. Okay, thank you, Joost. Good for you. I believe this might be a kit for shaving beard. Maybe a little setup. I'll have to play with it. We've got some pins, so I can mess up stuff later. Some tweezer handles, go with many of these. Pins. And we've got some very nice tensions. Little ratchet. Oh, this is very good tool to have. In case you need to break out of prison, I have this with you here. It will work well, I'm sure. I play with it later. Look at this amazing place. Perfection. Perfection. Oh, and there is a letter here as well, some sort. Oh, I know what this is now. Yes. Oh, more stickers. I make so many sticker friends now. We've got some bonamite, which I believe is a high explosive. Bare bones. Like this. He is wearing a Santa hat. But he is ancient Greek. What's he doing wearing a Santa hat? They did not have Santa back then. It is not even December. There's address here. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show that or allowed to show that. If I will check with bare bones, but we will see. So we'll keep that off camera for now, but if you want the dress and he allow it, I will get the dress for you. I'm going to put these all over police camera to make sure that they not see me when I break a law. See, Fiber, I believe we got a lesson on this from Kyle the Canada earlier. He is from Canada, a Canadian. Almost look like a Dr. Dre. I show you a picture later if you're too young to understand the reference. My god. Oh, there is even more of it. See, you turn me into Jeremy again. How much is that? Little stickers. Oh. Okay, still shaking my hand. No, I think it's time to turn back to our friend. that you know and love. Yeah, thank you for doing that, bro. Yeah, wow. Thanks, Bones. I don't even know where to begin. I am overwhelmed with joy and happiness, and yeah, this has made my entire year. So thank you so much.